This 2024 Coachmen Chaparral 336 TSIK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, microwave, oven, LP detector, slide-out, leveling jacks, DVD player, water heater, smoke detector, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Chaparral 336 TSIK is 10,519 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.